Welcome to Real Pop English. Today, we'll learn English through a fun mother and daughter shopping vlog.
Today, we'll see a daughter begging for clothes and a trip to a popular store called Brandy Melville. We'll also see them try on trendy outfits, argue there, and finally drink coffee together. We've a really funny scene waiting for you at the clothing store. Here's today's viewer quiz for you. How many items of clothing did they buy in total? Listen carefully and repeat along. Find the answer to the quiz.
Please leave your answer in the comments below.
Let's jump right into the first scene. Mom, I've absolutely nothing to wear today.
What are you talking about?
All my clothes are old and ugly.
You've a closet full of clothes.
But I need new clothes to go out with my friends today. Please buy me some new clothes, Mom.
I'm very busy right now. I have to fold this laundry.
Mom, please listen to me. Everyone's wearing trendy outfits except me.
That's not true.
I'll do anything you want. Please, please, please buy me clothes.
What are all those clothes on your floor and your bed? Your room's a complete disaster. I can't step anywhere safely.
I know it's a little messy.
You've to clean your room first. If you clean your room right now, I'll buy you new clothes.
Wait, are you serious?
Yes, I'm very serious. But it's gotta be perfectly clean. Not even one piece of trash on the floor.
Okay, I'll clean it right this second. I'll be super fast.
I'm setting a timer for 30 minutes. Let's see how fast you're.
Just watch me, Mom. Hello, guys. My mom said she'll buy me new clothes. I just cleaned my entire room very fast. It took me only 20 minutes. Now I'm getting ready to go out. I'm putting on my sunscreen first. I must protect my skin from the sun. Next, I'm gonna tidy up my braids.
Hi, everyone. My daughter actually cleaned her room today. It's a real miracle. I'm wearing a simple blue dress today. Are you ready to go yet? We need to leave right now.
Yes, I'm completely ready.
Grab your purse and let's go.
I've my purse right here. Let's go to the mall.
Please put your seatbelt on.
I already did.
The traffic's nice and light today.
Mom, let's go to Brandy Melville today.
What's Brandy Melville?
It's a very popular clothing store. All the teenagers love it right now.
I've never heard of it before.
It's got a really cool California style. The clothes are super trendy and cute.
Okay, we can go there. But let's set a strict rule first.
What kind of rule?
We're only buying one top and one bottom today.
Only one top and one bottom. But I need so many things.
You don't need that many clothes. And let's buy some classic basic styles. Basic clothes last a very long time.
Mom, basic clothes are so boring. I want to follow the current trend.
Trends go out of style in just 1 month. It's a waste of money.
But I live in the present, Mom.
Well, I'm paying the bill. I won't buy strange clothes.
Trust me. The clothes at Brandy Melville are great.
We'll see about that. We're almost there.
Let's park close to the entrance.
Okay, I'm parking now.
I'm so excited. Wow, we're finally at Brandy Melville. I love this store so much.
The music's too loud in here. My ears are ringing already.
Mom, this is a trendy store for young people. The loud music's part of the vibe.
It just gives me a headache.
Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a tank top with thin straps and a short waist.
That's not a top. That looks like a tiny piece of string.
I'll wear it with these super wide and long baggy pants. This is my first outfit choice.
Your stomach'll get so cold on that short top. Okay, what's your second choice?
I want this short sleeve top.
It shows the back.
And I also want this cute denim mini skirt.
That skirt's way too short. You can't even sit down comfortably in that.
But they look so good together.
I think you should try this t-shirt instead. It looks very comfortable and neat. And you should wear these straight long jeans.
No way, Mom. That's definitely not my style. Those clothes are so boring and basic.
You still need to look respectable.
I'm gonna the fitting room right now. I'll try on all 3 outfits. I'll prove my choice are better.
Okay, I'll wait right here. I'll prepare myself for the shock.
Don't go anywhere.
I'm not moving. Kids these days wear such tiny clothes. I just do not understand this fashion at all. I hope she at least picks something that covers her stomach.
My mom just does not get it. This outfit is totally trendy right now. Just wait, I'm gonna look amazing.
Are you done changing yet? You've been in there for 10 minutes.
Just one more second. Ta-da! This is the first outfit.
Oh my goodness. That top's way too revealing. And those wide pants are dragging on the floor.
Mom, all the girls wear this style now. It's called a baggy fit.
You look like you're swimming in them. Go try on the second set right now.
Fine, I'll change again. Okay, how about this second set?
That top shows your back too much. And the skirt's way too short.
But it looks absolutely perfect on me.
Now try on the third set I picked for you. Try the boxy t-shirt and the straight long jeans.
Fine, I'll try them. Okay, look at this.
I look like a giant rectangle.
I think it looks very clean and nice. The straight long jeans fit you perfectly.
But it looks absolutely terrible on me. I can't wear this to hang out with my friends.
Remember our strict rule in the car? We're only buying 1 top and 1 bottom today.
No, Mom, please. I really need both of my sets right now.
I don't like your choices at all.
The first set's for hanging out with my friends. The second set's for my weekend dance class.
You're so incredibly stubborn. I still don't like them. Okay, let's compromise. I'll buy you 2 tops and 2 bottoms this time. But you must keep your room clean forever. You must do your school homework on time. You've to study hard. And you must listen to me.
Yes, I absolutely promise. You're the absolute best mom in the world.
You only say that when you get what you want. Now Gory, take them off so we can pay.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Hello, did you find everything okay today?
Yes, we did. Thank you.
We're buying 2 tops and 2 bottoms today. I'm so excited to wear them.
Those are excellent choices. These bottoms are very popular right now.
See, Mom? I told you they're popular.
I still think they're too big.
Let me scan these for items for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your total comes to $180.
Oh, that's a little bit expensive. I'll pay with my credit card. Here you go.
Please insert your card into the machine.
Okay, I just inserted it.
Please wait 1 moment. Please don't remove the card yet.
Okay, I'm waiting.
The payment went through completely. You can remove your card now. Here's your printed receipt.
Thank you very much.
Here's your shopping bag. Have a great day.
Thank you. You have a great day too.
Thank you so much. This bag's a little heavy with all my new clothes.
Let me get that for you.
No, it's okay. I want to carry it. But thanks, though.
Anytime. Let's go get something to drink. My feet are killing me right now. Walking around the mall's exhausting.
Shopping's seriously hard work. It takes a lot of energy to try on clothes.
Let's order some coffee.
I'm very thirsty after all that shopping.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you today?
I'll have 1 tall iced Americano, please. I really need the caffeine.
Sure, and what about for you?
I'll have a grand strawberry frappuccino. With extra whipped cream on top, please.
Will that be all for you today?
Yes, that's everything.
Your total's $10.50.
I'll pay with this credit card.
Thank you. Your drinks will be ready at the end of the counter.
Let's sit by the big window. Ah, this soft chair is so comfortable. It feels good to sit down.
Here's your iced coffee, Mom.
Wow, this is exactly what I needed. The coffee is so cold and refreshing.
My frappuccino's delicious too. The extra whipped cream's the best part. We argued a lot about clothes today.
Yes, we always argue about fashion. Our styles are just very different from each other. But I enjoy spending time with you.
I enjoy spending time with you too. But seriously, thank you for buying me 2 sets. I love my new clothes so much.
You're welcome, sweetheart. Just remember all your promises.
I promise, Mom. I'll keep my room clean every single day.
We'll see about that tomorrow. Let's finish our drinks and go home.
Sounds good to me.
It's quiz time for you. Do you remember today's quiz question? How many items of clothing did they buy in total? Did you find the correct answer? Please leave your answer in the comments below.
Did you enjoy today's mother and daughter vlog? We learned so many useful expressions for shopping today.
You can use these phrases when you buy clothes or order coffee. Please keep listening and repeating. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next video.